How to fix Instagram Messenger update not working on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First open Play Store or App Store, and here make sure your Instagram is updated. Just see if there is any update here and then click on it. And if that doesn't fix your problem, now go to settings, scroll down until you find apps, and here we'll find apps again. Click on it, then click Instagram, go to storage, clear data, and you will need to log into your accounts after that, but that will help you to fix your problem. And if that also doesn't fix it, then uninstall Instagram and install it again, and maybe you will need to create a new account. And that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.